Open your Shopify account and click on Settings. Now go to Apps and Sales Channels. Click on Shopify App Store. You can also use this link apps.shopify.com. I scroll down. You can see Shopify App Store. Today I want to install Printful, Print on Demand. I click on it. Here you can see Add App, View Demo Store. Now I click on Add App, choose an account. I select this one. I have to install this app, so click Install App. Allow all. Connect Printful to Shopify. I select Google. I choose this account. Click on checkmark. Sign up. Tell us about yourself. I click on Other. Annual revenue of your business. I select 1 to 10K. Product 0 to 50. Connect store to this account. Add your first product. I click on Add Product button. You have to follow this 5-step. First, select your product. I choose this black glossy mark. Now you can configure your design. I click on clip part. Choose this smiley face. I want to increase the size a little bit. Click continue button. Here some issue. Click design for each product size need to be adjusted separately. Okay, got it. Continue. Now in media you have to choose your desired mockup. I choose basic mockup. Here you can select your mockup. Click continue. You can add your product title, tag, description. Then click continue. Save push settings for marks, free shipping, revenue. In the pricing section you can fix your price. After this, click on submit to store. It will redirect you to your store. After complete this, you will get a congrats that your product added to your store. I click view in Shopify in a new tab. Here you can see our product black glossy mark, price, quantity, add to cart, buy it now. I increase the quantity, add to cart, view my cart to quantity, click on checkout. You can see the details, increase pricing also added. Here contact, shipping address, continue to shipping button. In the store you can see two variants synced. So thanks for watching.